So this is the outside view in front of the Climatron, the aquarium and the bowl back there. Let's see if we can zoom in, see if the name's on it anywhere. It's actually right there. Had to step over a little bit. It's pretty cool. Hi, it's Steve with T-Quilts, and today's video I am at the Missouri Botanical Gardens and just thought that I would be sharing some scenes with you all. I'm actually here with my friend from Atlanta. Came into town, visit her mom, and before she left we just wanted to do something outdoors. So just thought that I'd share some of these beautiful plants with you. Nice waterfall back there you can still see. And I will just be taking pictures of various different sections. And then I will hop in and out. So this is Vlogmas video number 18. So I'm going to just end here and I'll be back. I just thought that I would share with you some of the glass sculptures that they purchased when they had an exhibit here. And I am talking with a mask on, so that's why my voice is different. But this is going to be our video for today. I'll be showing you various shots of the botanical gardens. Beautiful flowers. It's beautiful. We got a couple waterfalls in here as well. I kind of missed showing you the first one. I had it in a clip that I'm not using now. So I'm just going to continue to walk around this aquarium that we're in. And I will come back when we're at a different section in the park. Still got more flowers here. An orchid over here. Powder puff tree. And then you can still see more of the waterfall this way. I guess you will be seeing all of my videos because as I'm trying to make videos and pausing, it keeps coming off of pause. So I'm just going to take all of these clips, put them into my editor, and hopefully the system works so that you all can see this video today. So, just beautiful.
ice right there.
Wow. I didn't know it grew in water like that. Giraffe sneeze.
That is weird though. This place is.
So we're here at the banana tree, and I just wanted to show you that these leaves are huge. It's almost at the top of the aquarium. And right there, about in the center of the camera, you can see some small bananas. I'd say they're about finger length long. Very interesting spot. And they even have a bench here if you want to sit. Another waterfall we're coming up on. Ooh, beautiful bloom over there. This is called the flamingo flower. So we are coming up on some of the actual Christmas decorations. I've seen some a little bit here and there, but been kind of ignoring them. But this one's really pretty. Got a lot of Christmas trees. Fall trees are in the back. And then right here we actually have a human snow globe where you could actually go in. I'm thinking when they're open at night and you can get your pictures taken. It's all kind of blocked off right now, but this is pretty cool. Very nice. And then they've got more trees here, so we're kind of in a atrium here. It's just beautiful. Just gorgeous. So I'll come back when we get to the next area. Hi, just came back real quick to show you this upside down tree.
In the gazebo?
In what?
In this gazebo.
What gazebo? Isn't that beautiful? It's decorated very nice too. It's just pretty. And the camera doesn't do half the justice of the things that we're showing you. It is just gorgeous here. This is where we just came from, back where the snow globe is. They also have like sparkle lights here. It's very pretty. They're different colors. So we're gonna keep walking and I'll come back later. So now we're coming up on an exhibit called the 12 Days of the Garden. Very cool. So here's the pear tree. 2 turtle doves. Three French hens. This is so cute. Over here is 4 calling birds. So now we're looking for the 5 golden rings. Don't want to miss them. Got lots of stars here lit up for night. My friend told me that at night, I think it's $35 admission, $25 if you have a membership, to get in and see the lights at night. And they actually close at 3:30, which we're getting very close to. They've got a sign over there that says fun facts about the mistletoe. I knew something, there was a difference in red and white. That's about all I know. That you actually kiss under the white and not the red berries. Oh, I found it. 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. That's 6 geese a laying, because that's a bed.
Laying in bed.
Yeah, 6 geese a laying. They've got a bed. Now that's very creative. Are you in bed? They actually had a bench in there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
And here's your swans.
Oh, 7 swans are swimming. Oh my, they were really creative.
It's an ice one.
They're iced in. They can't swim right now. So we've got 5 here and 2 back there. Very cool.
Very cool.
We're looking for 8 maids of milking. So pretty. Glad we came here. So here are your 8 maids of milking. That's pretty cute. Got a cow. 9 ladies dancing. That's pretty cool as well. And now we're coming up on the 10 Lords of Leaping. And 11 Pipers Piping. Very cool. Did you see number 12?
No, I don't see the 12 drummers.
I didn't see. Oh, it's right in front of us. 12 drummers drumming. That is too funny. So they just put the drums out here. That is just too cool. And then over here they have the ugly Christmas sweater STL made. That is gorgeous as well. So that's going to end our video for today. As I said, hopefully I can get it uploaded tonight so you all can see it in a timely manner. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye, everybody.